Hello and welcome. In this video series, I'll be answering some frequently asked questions about the model BT400-NEX-G Herman Nelson heater, so stay tuned. The model BT400-NEX-G heater is a fully enclosed gas-powered portable heater. This unit is intended for the use of heating of maintenance shelters, portable hangars, aircraft engines, fuselages, and other similar enclosures. But what we want to know is, how does the BT400-NEX-G actually work? So let's start by looking at the power. The BT400-NEX-G heater contains a 5.5 HP Honda engine. Air is drawn through the inlet louvers and passes through and around the heat exchange, and then is discharged through the ducts mounted on the duct adapter assembly. In the next video, we'll be looking at the fuel system of the BT400-NEX-G portable heater. We hope to see you again. If you have any questions or would like to know more about purchasing the BT400-NEX-G series of portable heaters, our contact details can be found below. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.